It's a 2018 Cadillac XT5 crossover. The distinctive exterior lends itself to more balance on the road and greater space inside, while the engine delivers excitement behind the wheel. It comes with great features you love. V6 engine, DriveSense automatic with driver control suspension management, integrated navigation system with voice activation, refrigerated box located in the glove box, dual zone climate control, auto dimming rear view mirror, Bluetooth wireless audio streaming, OnStar 4G LTE Wi-Fi hotspot, heated steering wheel, front and rear parking sensors, and heated and ventilated leather bucket seats. The only thing better than owning a Cadillac is driving a Cadillac. Stop in for a test drive and make it yours today.
Call us today at 754-220-1690.